Hello. Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to update your email address in your entire website, WordPress website. All references to this email, to an old email, and you need to change that to a new email. So definitely you would want that to be done in a thorough way or in a more comprehensive way, not just one by one. This is different from updating your email address, the email address of your user, of your WordPress user account. This is actually updating an email address as found in your website, which serves as your contact number, contact email for your business, for the website. So in your WordPress website, you just need to log in. All right. And once you are logged in, install a plugin called Better Search Replace. And once that is installed, so probably already know how to install a plugin, right? Add new plugin, search for BSR or Better Search and Replace, and enable that. And once that's enabled, go to Tools. Under Tools, you should have this Better Search Replace. And this is the interface for the Better Search Replace now. So just copy the old email and it will try to look for that old email. Just select one from here, select Control A or select everything, or you can also do that in Start. From the very start, select one table. These are now the tables in your database, and scroll down at the very last, press Shift, click the last item, or select all once you selected one, and put the old email here. And once you've selected the old email, copy the new email that it will try to find. It will try to find an old email in all your database. So whether it's in the contact form, it's in the header, footer, within your pages or your posts, it will try to do that. And it will try to replace that with the new email. But first, before, and select everything here, select all the tables from the database. But before you do that, try to run as dry run first. This is just a quick check on if it will find anything, or just, try to see if it can find anything. And check run as dry run. And as you can see, it's now checking all those tables. Just do that again if for some reason it did not do anything. Probably it's a glitch or, temporary issue. All right. So it's now checking all those database tables there for trying to see if you can find that old email and a possible replacement using the new email. All right. And that should be it. After dry run, you'd find a number of how many things you can change. And this time, uncheck the dry run and run replace. It will now actually do it. But warning, caution, I can never stress. Always do a backup. All the backups that you can do. Okay? All right. And I hope that's helped. Oops. I'm sorry. Why didn't that do anything? So if you're trying to understand what's happening, it did not find anything. There's a backup here, so that's good. All right. Another thing, if you're using Elementor, like in my case, sometimes Elementor, I've seen this before. Sometimes if you cannot do a search and replace using Better Search Replace, under your Elementor, I think there is also a find and replace there. So just go to Elementor, and I think there is something here under advanced. think tools. Under tools, yeah. But wow, but this is a URL. Anyway, just check this out. It might help or not. That's one way to do that. All right. I hope this helps. Bye.